Welcome back, DMF Speed Shop. So beautiful day here. Thought I'd give you guys the 5,000 mile update. 2023 WRX base model. Things I could say, I haven't had any issues with the car. I live here in the Midwest, upper Midwest, and the only complaint I have is that these Dunlop tires that come on the car absolutely suck in the snow. So if you live where it snows, I recommend getting some snow tires. The paint on these cars is kind of hard to upkeep. So that's really the only two complaints I have. Said I got almost 5,000 miles. Down here, sorry guys, I'm by myself, so I don't have anyone to hold the camera for me. So ride quality, very stiff car, but just factory suspension. This thing just grips the road. The grip is unbelievable. These tires, like I said, they really suck in the snow, but on the pavement, they do really well. So you kind of have to struggle to get this car to break loose in the corner, and I have yet to get the ass end to kick out in here, and I've really tried. In the snow, like I said, the car really struggles with these tires, but I am excited to see what it does with actual, like, proper set of snow tires on here. So I kind of wish that I would have gotten them, but it's only snowed like one time or two times all winter. So I guess I'm happy I didn't drop the $700 for no reason, you know. So I wanted to get a set of snow tires for these factory wheels, and then get a set of aftermarket wheels with wider tires for doing track days and stuff like that for the summertime. But we'll do that later. Otherwise, yeah, car's completely stock. Haven't did nothing to it. Haven't had any issues. Absolutely love driving it. This thing is a blast. I took it out. I usually don't, like, I haven't really been driving this that much in the wintertime, so I just took it out just today because it's really nice out, and I want, you know, kind of feeling sad because I can't do any ice racing because the ice is too, like, sketch right now. So it's like, oh, I'm going to take the WRX for a little ride around the block and make a little video for you guys. So thanks for subscribing. We're at like 600 something subscribers now, so if you're not subscribed, just hit the button, hit the like, whatever. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Have a good one.